you can see this is the woodworking lathe machine, the wood lathe machine for cutting, grooving, and engraving. It can engrave in 2D relief and 3D model, 3D engraving. This is the spindle. The spindle is 3.5 kilowatts. And this is the stepper motor. This is the limit switch. And stepper motor. Guide rail, square rail. This is the rack and pinion transmission. And this is a ball screw transmission. Ball screw transmission in this axis, in this direction. And in this direction is rack and pinion transmission. And for Z axis, it's the ball screw transmission. The control system is DSP control system. You can see DSP control system. And this is the controller cabinet. We can open the controller like this way, and this is the Fueling inverter and Yaco drivers. This is the electricity parts are all high quality ones. This is the lubrication oil, lubrication system. The guide rail and the cast iron steel structure. And inside this box, there is a 5.5 kilowatt servo motor for driving the rotary system. Okay, that's all. Thank you.